This 2026 Homesteader IT6X12X6.5 TALL 3K ramp door is a cargo trailer. It is located in Mount Vernon, Illinois, 62864 and is offered for sale by Country Blacksmith Trailers. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Homesteader is 12 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Homesteader IT6X12X6.5 TALL 3K ramp door is 1,680 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Country Blacksmith Trailers.